Have you ever been too scared to report a crime out of concern for your or your loved one's safety? As a victim of a crime or as a witness, you now have the right to be protected.
In 2015, the Victims and Witness Protection Act, as it's commonly known, was enacted. What does that do? Two main things. Firstly, it creates a redress mechanism for victims and witnesses of crimes. And secondly, it creates both the National Authority for Victims and Witness Protection and also creates a division within the police for victims and witness protection. Two key state elements.
Confused? Too complicated? Let's break it down for you.
If you suffer harm through an offense or through arbitrary arrest or through detention, and the harm could be economic, could be physical, could be mental, then you are a victim. Not only that, if you try to help someone who would fall under the category of a victim, you yourself would be classified as a victim. And it even goes beyond that to include the dependents, the family members of a victim as well. So if you're someone who's provided information about an offense or complained about an offense, or even if you're someone who is a public officer who is involved in investigating an offense, you are classified as a witness. Even if you are a family member of such a person, you would even be classified as a witness. So it's not exhaustive, but it ranges all the way from interim compensation from the loss that you may have incurred, all the way to new identity, relocation. A lot depends on the nature of the threat. Well, you have the National Authority for Victims and Witness Protection, you have the police division as well, which has been recently established. If you have a court case that's ongoing, the court, or even if it's recently concluded, the court can be requested for protection. Beyond that, you have the Commission to investigate allegations of bribery or corruption, you have the Human Rights Commission, even the OIC of your local police station can be requested for protection. It's key that the state protects their citizens and puts resources behind protecting their citizens. Finally, as with many institutions, it can only build by having citizens actually use it. If you want to find out more about victims and witness protection, go to the TI Sri Lanka micro website, which has a lot more information.
Know your rights and don't be afraid to exercise them.